What happened to you, Mr. Sweetie? You have really sacrificed your life for me. Mr. Sweetie, please come back. They have exacted revenge on me by killing Mr. Sweetie.
What? I don't trust anyone anymore. I don't trust anyone. Who killed Mr. Sweetie?
KK Reddy killed him, obviously.
Last night, I begged for your life at his feet.
Okay, KK Reddy. Within next 24 hours, I will expose you no matter what happens. That's a promise from Siddhant Prabhakar Sinha.
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू